This is the A final of the women's 200-meter backstroke. In lane 1, representing Tucson Ford Dealer Aquatics. She was 4th in this event at the 2012 Olympic Trials, Bonnie Brandon. In lane 2, representing Irvine Nova Aquatics, one of the top up-and-coming swimmers in Southern California, Courtney McKinnon. In lane 3, representing Australia, she was an Australian World Championship finalist in this event, Haley Baker. In lane 4, representing Longhorn Aquatics, 6th in the 100 freestyle last night, Sarah Daringhoff. In lane 5, representing Canada, a silver medalist in this event at the 2013 NC2As, Dominique Bouchard. In lane 6, representing Dynamo Swim Club, 5th in this event at the 2012 Olympic Trials, Kylie Stewart. In lane 7, representing Swim Mac Carolina, an Olympic Trials qualifier in this event, Kathleen Baker. In lane 8, representing Australia, 7th in this event at the 2011 FINA Junior Championships, Michaela Sheridan. This is the A final of the women's 200-meter backstroke. Okay, this is a tightly matched field as we go into the first 50. Touching first up there in lane 6, that's Kylie Stewart, splitting a 30.66, out very fast. Sarah Daringhoff now looking strong as we come up to the middle part of this race, but it is a tightly matched field. Turning first at the 100, that's Sarah Daringhoff at a time of 1:03.51. Daringhoff turning first, bringing it home. She split a 32.53 on that. It's very close. Dominique Bouchard also coming on strong. Let's really bring them home. This is the A finals. Let's give them some energy as they come to the final stretch. Sarah Daringhoff, very, very strong, opening her lead. Touching first in a time of 2:09.14. Second, Dominique Bouchard, 2:09.97. And third, Kylie Stewart in a time of 2:11.56. Let's have a big round of applause for our 8 finalists in the 200-meter backstroke. Nice job, women.